Nothing ever helped me explain a topic as much as a good illustration or a good visual. And when I started doing Professor Diva, whenever I shoot my content, I always write a script before, because writing a script
Mm,
really makes me see all of the shots that I need. Like for every single concept I introduce, I try to include a visual for it. Right? Energy, you can give me the most luscious decorative description of energy using words. I will never, as any person, understand energy more than when I see a person jumping, a person running,
right.
a person, right? And so it's that powerful. Like visualization is a physicist's secret weapon. When people talk about scientific talent and whatnot, I believe that a person is quote unquote classically talented at physics if they can visualize something on their own. I think that's
Right.
what we understand as talent. And so I believe that anybody could be good with physics. It's just that you need to discover the way that that person visualizes physics. Some people
Right.
are incredibly, traditional visual learners, and so they can just draw some scientific diagrams on a chalkboard and they would get it. And that's what our current academic system is designed for. It's almost like we favor only one form of visualization. But with my videos, what I do is I offer non-conventional, non-traditional visuals that are, however, so efficient. People always say, now I get it, or I never understood it. For optics, for example, that was one of my favorite explainers of all time, and that is when I was Light herself. And as a
Ah,
busy diva, Light always picks out the quickest path. And so instead of giving people like a diagram, what I did is I actually set up my phone in the ceiling. Don't tell the building I'm renting my apartment from, but I set up my phone in the ceiling so that it would shoot me like from up above, make a very flat view from high above, from over the head. And then I put a carpet on the floor. And because you always have those drawings, light from air entering water, right?
oh,
So I
right.
thought
Yeah.
to myself, people have seen those drawings their whole lives. If they were to help, they would have helped. Let me try something different. So what I did is I walked in my heels from like, my wooden floor to then the carpeted floor in heels, and I bent my trajectory based on how light would travel. That did wonders for people. They instantaneously understood things like how thick a medium can be, how light
Mm,
bends, refraction. Like it was just a well designed visual for them.